V zeleni dvorani portoroškega auditorija je potekal strokovni seminar Glasba za film, demistifikacija glasbenih pravic v audiovizualnih delih, kjer so režiserji, producenti, glasbeniki in vsi ostali delili izkušnje s priznanim Lurencem Kajem iz Velike Britanije. Kaye kot strokovnjak za glasbo med drugim sodeloval pri filmih kot so Nothing Hill, Dnevnik Bridget Jones, Lombalov, Transporting in Dobrodošli v Sarajevu.
Everybody, in theory, people want hits, but what's a hit? I mean, a piece of music that people know. You know, I said in my seminar, if people are making a film that's based in 1972, then they need music from 1972 or earlier. The worst thing you can do is to put a piece of music from 1974 in there. But in terms of what people want, they want the music that works well with a film. It doesn't necessarily have to be a hit. It doesn't necessarily have to be something that people know. It has to have the right pace. It has to have the right atmosphere. It has to work with the visuals. And in the world of synchronization, the most important thing is to synchronize the right piece of music, whether it's unknown or well-known. Shouldn't matter.